So we just got word that a cloud of forest fire smoke is coming our way, and there has been some directions on how to build a filtering device, if you will, at home using filters. Now, I wasn't able to get exactly a 20 by 20, which is the dimension of this box fan, but I was able to find two of the similar length that I can put together to use as a one filter by taping it up. Very importantly, you have to make sure that the MERV standard, the MERV number for the filters, I believe they recommend anywhere from 9 to 13 or something like that. So if you look somewhere on the box, you're gonna find a table, and that table will tell you what MERV number it is. So this one is a 12. And so what you want to do is to take the fan out of the box, tip this together, and make sure that the airflow direction is correct. Now think of it as a coffee filter. You want to pull the air through the fan. So as you see on the box, there's an arrow that tells you which way the airflow should be. So let me show you what I mean. Now let's open up this box fan. So here's the fan out of the box. As you can tell, this is the back of the fan and this is the front of the fan. And if you're not sure, just plug it in and you'll find out which way or which side the air is coming out from. So let me just unplug this. This is a stand. So what we're gonna do is to put the filters on the back of the fan where the air is going in. And think of it as like a coffee filter. You do not want the filters at the front of the fan, because when the air with the pollens and smoke and all that goes in here, it's gonna get all disturbed out here and be pushed out the front of the fan, and I don't think the filter is gonna do its job. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna look at the direction of the airflow, put it this way so that the airflow gets sucked in through the filter, through the blades of the fan, and then out here. And key is for this to be situated in the house somewhere where your air can be cleansed, if you will. So let's open this up and let me show you how easy this is. So here's a filter. This one is 12 by 20 by 1. So 12 by 20 by, I guess, 1. And that's okay. It's a little larger than I hope. I was looking for another one of these, a 10 by 20 by 1, but I couldn't find it. But we're just over by just a few inches, and that's fine. So let's open this 10 by 20. Don't worry about the arrows disappearing. It's always on the box. Always on the box. So we're gonna do this. Put it together. Hold it together for a short time while you use a strong masking tape or something to put it together. Now obviously if you can find a 20 by 20, that should be fantastic. There you go. So now that this is in place, it's just a little wider than this 20 by 20 fan, which is perfectly fine. It doesn't need to be pretty. Now next we're gonna use bungee cords. This is a 24-inch bungee cord, and what we're gonna do is to hook it up to the front here. Just make sure that you don't hook it too far down, or make sure that the hook doesn't go into the fan too much, which may touch the blade. So simply hook it here, bring it around, and hook it back on the other side. And there you go. You have a home air filtration device.